Hello everyone, welcome to Tech HK channel. I know I'm uploading video after many days ago. So because I had I was very busy, so that's why I uploaded the video much time ago. So today's topic is Microsoft Whiteboard, which Microsoft has launched from its Corporation. So first we will go to Microsoft Store and search there Microsoft Whiteboard. If you will search Whiteboard also, there also you will see the same result only. So here you are seeing that it is an app, Microsoft Whiteboard. So we will click on this. So it will take some time to load according to your Wi-Fi speed and the processor and all of your laptop or PC. So it has arrived here. See the screenshots of the app is here. We will see this is how the app looks, and we can draw on the app like this. And many pictures are there. You can see it on this too. So here I have already downloaded it. Here where it is written open, there would be a get option. You just have to click on get, and you will be able to get the open button like this. So now I will close this window, and now we will open this. So first we will go to start and search here Whiteboard. We will get here Microsoft Whiteboard. We can pin it to start, we can pin it to taskbar also. So I will pin it on taskbar, and we can open it from here also. So it will take some time to load, and here it is loading. And first I have already opened it and tested it. When you will open it, it will ask for your Microsoft account and license agreement. So you just have to click on agree and next, and you if it asks for data diagnosis, so you just have it's your choice if you want to give the data to Microsoft or not. So if you want, you can say yes. If you don't want, you can say no. So it will go like this, the process, and further it will come to final process finish. So then your Microsoft Whiteboard would be on. So let's wait to open this Microsoft Whiteboard. Now, so your so your interface will be like this. Now there are some prompts pop-ups, like it is telling you about the whiteboard. So we will just click on got it, and here is the interface, and here we can invite some people. Like if you if anyone of this one want to do anything on the whiteboard together, many people, so you can go here and add the people. And here are some settings of the whiteboard. So first we can select the pen and draw anything over here, like this, like this, like this, HK, and it will blink one time and it would be set it. And if you want to erase it, you can just do select the eraser and do like this. It will be erased. And the speed, it depends on the speed. If you do on much speed, your eraser will increase in the size. And there is a ruler also here. If you select on ruler, the ruler will arrive here like this. You can select a pen after choosing a ruler, and uh, you can keep a straight line here, and you will able to see a straight line here like this. And if you want to change the color of a pen, here is a black dot over here. You can click on it, and it will show you the options of the pen. You can choose galaxy color, and the colors which you want, and you can change the thickness also of it. So I am choosing galaxy color, and when I choose the galaxy color, see the galaxy color is coming. And if I click it again on it, and I want the thickness to be more, so I will click on this, and see the thickness is arrived here. And if you want the perfect shapes, if you want the perfect shape, like first I should erase it. If you want the perfect shapes, like if you draw a circle, if you take online classes and if you draw a circle like this, it will come and arrive like this. But if you go on settings, where it was here, you can see into shape. You can on this, and when you will make a circle, it will be perfect circle or it will be a perfect triangle. See, I am making a triangle, and if you will not make it perfectly, it can be like it do not come. See, I have made it perfectly. Now it is arrived here perfectly. So like here also I can make it. So I have not made it perfectly, so it will not come. It is a very good for Chromebooks and all, because it has touches one, and with the touch also, with the stylus and all, we can do many things with it. So this was a video of introduction of a whiteboard of Microsoft. And if you want to clear it, clear the canvas, you can clear. There is an option clear canvas. You can click on it. The whole canvas will be cleared. And you will be wondering that what is this? This is the selecting box from which you can select anything. And the ID which you have put in on the Microsoft account, it would be shown here. Like it is HK here. This is my ID. So bye for now and stay tuned till next video. And please like, subscribe, and share my videos and comment. Bye bye.